In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening an app called Theme Store and tapping on one of those options at the bottom to find a perfect theme for you. Home, Category or OMG. You can also select themes at the top or click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. After finding perfect theme for you, click on it, tap on apply at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to the default theme, you can always do that by accessing the same app, going back, clicking on me at the bottom right corner and selecting my resources at the top. Now hit apply on a default theme and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!